Hi, I just got done restoring this R&M ceiling fan. I tore it all down, painted it, refinished the blades, some other stuff. It's a very nice fan, probably from the 1920s. I have it on a speed control, so I'll show you. This is turning it on at full speed. Now I'm going to run it down to slow speed. It has a KB speed control mounted on the wall that you can put in the wall instead of a switch. And it works with old fans and lets you really control the speed really well. Like you can slow them way down. The different speeds that were built into these fans were never very different from each other, just due to the technology. But the KB speed controller does a real good job if you want the fan to be real peaceful. There it is.